Well, guys, it's another wonderful day off grid, and it's a little bit cooler today. It's minus 10 Celsius, which is fine because the last couple of days it rained. So I'm bringing these little shenaniganers. They are absolutely insane right now. Millie just left with Scott, so Jackson was not very happy about that business because he doesn't like when she leaves. Because she likes to get crazy and he likes to get crazy. And Willow and Rocky a little bit mellow. No murdering anything today, Rocky, okay? Let's not be murderous today. Come on, little man, stick with the group. There we go. So yeah, we have not been walking because of course I was ill. Starting to feel better today. Scott is all in the clear. So I'm assuming by tomorrow I will test negative. And yeah, be back on track. It was not fun, that's for sure. But I am glad it's tapering off and we're getting over this COVID. Did not enjoy it at all. But yeah, it's a beautiful day and it beats the rain. We had rain for almost off and on for 2 days. Really, really mild temperatures. A lot of snow melt. So everything is hard now. And it's not as bad to walk through today as other days when it was very, very unstable. And it kept falling through the snow and it was really hard to get through. But the trail is much better today. So I'm just going to have these guys enjoy their walk, get their exercise, so that I can get some stuff done around the cabin because it's really hard to get anything done unless Jax is tired. So unless he's sleeping, it's very hard. He demands a lot of attention. So these walks really help tire him out and the other guys so I can get stuff done. Unfortunately, my cookouts will have to be in the yard from now on because I just can't have him out. I don't want him out this far, and it'll be easier to kind of train him around the open fire. You guys having fun? You having fun, Jackie boy? Yeah. Oh, there's Willow. Whew. You guys are doing so good. Good job staying together, guys. Good job. What are you doing, buddy? Catch up. Every once in a while, he's holding those ears up. Whoa. I think he's going to kind of have a little flop ears like Rocky. He likes to imitate Rocky a lot. Even now when he play fights, because sometimes Rocky will puff his fur out, puff himself up, and now Jackson does that too. Because he just started getting like a little bit of wiry, very shepherdy hair on his back. Very shepherd texture hair on his back that he now stands up once in a while when he's playing with Willow and Millie. What do you think, buddy? It's a good walk? We're only about halfway through. We're almost at our winter campsite, which we haven't done too much with, just because the weather has not cooperated at all. What do you think, Jackie? Getting tired, buddy? What are you boys doing over there? What you doing over there? Oh, here's Willow's back. Jackson is doing so good. Anytime he's a little bit farther off out there, I call him, and he comes right back. Right, boy, you should be good. Let's see if he goes straight into the yard. What are you guys doing? Jackson, come on. I don't want them wandering over by the pond because it really has not been cold enough. Come on, Jackson. Come on, let's go, buddy. Good job. Rocky's such a good lead dog. Everybody right inside, right in the fenced-in area. Now, if I could just get Millie to do that. She usually runs that way. So, Jackson! Back! Just like he did. He's right on the other side, though. Come on, buddy! Get in here. Come on. You know the routine. Come on, let's go. You want a treat or not? Come on. Oh, are you trying to go to the bathroom? Okay, we'll leave you. Let's give him some peace. He just needed to go to the bathroom. Poor little guy. There, you all done? Okay, buddy, let's shut the gate. You did a good job. I'll give you treats. And that's a wrap.